Good morning, on and all present here. I'm Nandini, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic: what is alternative hypothesis in data analytics? First of all, we can define that what is alternative hypothesis. So, alternative hypothesis nothing but it is a statement which is used to have a suggestions like what are its effect, how what are the difference in it, how the relationships is been in the data. So, for example, there is a difference between the average scale of store A and store B. It can differ. Next one, how we are understanding this alternative hypothesis. So, to understand it easily, first one in hypothesis testing, you should compare two claims. First one is what is null hypothesis. Second one, what is alternative hypothesis. In that, if no effect or no differences, then it is null hypothesis. If some effect or some differences, it is known as an alternative hypothesis. For example, if your data are not enough for an evidence, you reject H naught and accept H1. So in alternative hypothesis, yeah, bidirectional or non-directional one is used. In that we have two things. First one is one non-directional is also known as two-tailed and directional is also known as one-tailed. In two-tailed directional, H1 must be mu1 is not equal to mu2. There is a difference. So in one-tailed, H1 is to mu1 greater than mu2 or mu1 less than mu2. One of the greatest difference in that understanding. Next is some examples of this hypothesis, alternative hypothesis we can understand is with the help of research studies and experiments. So how this research is critical to make the data come to us and what are the statistics we use in it. And statistical types of things we use. So to find the difference between a store A and store B, we should put some effort. Next one, what is a statistical role in data analytics? How we can understand it? So we must have a guidance type of test. That is the test either with the t-test, is-z test, or ANOVA test, or chi-square test, which helps define test statistical formulas. Tail directional, whether it is one tail or two tail. Next one, critical religions, and where we reject H naught, the p-value interpretation. If p-value is less than significant level, then this evidence supports the H1. This is an statistics. Next one, comparative analysis. So we have many comparative analysis. Likewise, first one we can say a sales comparison. So H1, which sales after marketing the companion is um, greater than sales before companion. This is a sales comparison. Second one is a customer behavior. That means the click-through rate differs between ad A and ad B. Uh, Third one is product performance. So new machine produces fewer defects than older machines. Website performance. So conversion rate of version B is not equal to the conversion rate of version A. So these are all helps analytics prove improvements, changes or differences in the comparative measures. So comparative misconceptions about alternative hypothesis means first one is accepting the H1 means it is 100% true. So it means that data is enough to the evidence. Second one, if p value is higher, then H1 is false. So that failed to reject H naught. And H1 also fails. Third one is alternative hypothesis, which must always show the improvement. That means it can also show decreases or differences, not always improvement. So H1 is always desired outcome. So not always, sometimes provide H naught is useful. The last is a statistical significance, that is equal to the practical significance, so that the even value of H1 which supports the difference, so it is important in real world. What are some key points or essential takeaways in data analytics means how we are investing in it, what are the savings we are getting from it, how the value gets increased. So the investment, significant market and proper decision making in a correct time has been taken. So if this investment time is correct, then we must provide a savings, which is a reinvestment and better insights and better outcomes. So if these investment and savings are good, we will have a project revenue increasement value as soon as possible. So thank you so much.